presents How to Clean Stovetop with Baking Soda. Let's get cleaning! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start cleaning the stovetop, and what we're going to do is we're going to clean this off where it gets really hard and crusted on there. So we're going to add baking soda to this. So we'll take the baking soda and then we'll sprinkle the baking soda onto the stove. Okay guys, and now once we're done sprinkling all the baking soda on there, then we will add a cup of warm water to it. Okay guys, now that I'm putting the water on there, what I also like to do is take my hand and kind of mix it around with the baking soda, so that way when we let it sit, it would do its job. Okay, and then now we'll just let it sit and let it do its job. I usually let it sit about 30 minutes while I'm cleaning the rest of the house. Then I'll come back and save the stove for last and then clean the top of the stove off, and then I'll sweep the kitchen up afterwards. Okay guys, it's been about 30 minutes now, so we're going to take our sponge here and we're going to start to wipe it all off. As you can see, it's coming off really good. So this is really good for those that don't want to use chemicals on their stove, or people that are trying to stay away from chemicals to clean their stove tops, countertops, or whatever. Alright, here we go. Now I'm just going to dry it off with a towel real quick. Alright guys, and here we go. Check it out. Look at the stove. All nice and cleaned off. And here is a before picture and an after.
Yay!
There you guys have it! Thank you for watching and subscribing!